Have you ever noticed how the cost of goods and services seems to keep going up over time? Or how your money doesn't seem to go as far as it used to? The reason behind this is inflation, a gradual increase in prices over time. In this script, we'll delve into what inflation is, why it happens, and what its effects are. First, let's define inflation. Inflation refers to the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, resulting in a reduction in the purchasing power of money. This means that as time goes on, the cost of living increases and the value of your money decreases. So why does inflation occur? There are several factors that contribute to inflation. One of the main causes is an increase in the money supply. When there is more money in circulation, demand for goods and services rises, causing prices to increase to meet the demand. This often occurs as a result of government policies, such as quantitative easing or stimulus spending, which inject new money into the economy. Another cause of inflation is a decrease in the supply of goods and services. When there are fewer goods and services available, but demand them remains constant, prices go up. This can happen when there are supply chain disruptions, natural disasters, or when there is a shortage of labor or raw materials. Changes in the consumer behavior can also contribute to inflation. For instance, if people suddenly start buying more of a particular product or service, demand for it increases and prices rise accordingly. Inflation is often measured using the Consumer Price Index, CPI, which tracks the prices of a basket of goods and services over time. The CPI is used to calculate the inflation rate, which indicates the percentage increase in prices over a given period. Now let's discuss the effects of inflation. One of the most noticeable effects of inflation is a decrease in the purchasing power of money. As prices rise, the value of your money decreases, and you need more money to purchase the same goods and services. This can be particularly challenging for people on fixed incomes, such as retirees or those receiving government assistance. Inflation can also have an impact on interest rates. When inflation is high, central banks may raise interest rates to reduce demand for goods and services and slow down spending. This can make it more expensive to borrow money, affecting everything from mortgages to credit cards. Inflation can also have a significant impact on the economy as a whole. High inflation can discourage foreign investment, make exports less competitive on the global market, and lead to economic instability and social unrest, particularly in developing countries where inflation can reach hyperinflationary levels. Inflation can also cause what's called the shoe leather cost, which refers to the increased time and effort it takes to manage money during inflationary periods. For example, people may need to make more frequent trips to the bank or use electronic payments to avoid holding on to cash that is losing its value. This increased effort can be costly and time-consuming. Inflation can occur due to changes in consumer behavior. For example, if people suddenly start buying more of a particular product or service, the demand for it goes up and prices rise accordingly. It's important to note that not all inflation is bad. In fact, a certain level of inflation is considered healthy for the economy. This is because a moderate level of inflation can encourage spending and investment, as people are incentivized to spend money now before prices go up further. Additionally, a moderate level of inflation can make it easier for governments to manage their debt by reducing the value of the money they owe over time. However, high levels of inflation can be damaging to the economy, leading to economic instability, social unrest, and a decrease in the standard of living for many people. As such, central banks and governments often strive to keep inflation within a moderate range, typically around 2 to 3%. Another impact of inflation is the wealth transfer effect. When prices rise, people who hold assets that appreciate in value, such as real estate or stocks, benefit. On the other hand, people who hold cash or assets that don't appreciate in value, such as savings accounts, lose out. Inflation can also have an impact on wage growth. When prices rise, workers may demand higher wages to maintain their standard of living. However, if wage growth does not keep up with inflation, people's real wages will decrease, which can lead to economic hardship. In conclusion, inflation is a complex economic phenomenon that can have far-reaching effects on individuals and societies. Understanding the causes and impacts of inflation can help individuals and policymakers make informed decisions about managing their finances and the economy as a whole. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of inflation.